So you want smoke? Yeah.
At least on that, that's what it is.
I couldn't hear you have your mouth. You're late.
Oh, and then I'm sorry to come up here. No, if you're here, just out of curiosity, is there anything keeping you from like
Brent, get off him, pervert.
smashing my shin with your, or my thigh with your shin? Yeah, stay on my shin. Yes. And now just flip that over into a mountain. Yeah. Yeah, so come back over here. With our current schedule, if you're on my front side, I sort of
But I have to do this. No.
I have to. It's not a waste of my option.
It makes me look a mean person.
Handle my hip. Things I can't very smooth. B, like if you're pushing it, don't you feel run north south? Like, just get your hips up and spin like that. Yeah. Now you don't have my arms. And anytime I can keep my hands on me, I feel like I can turn the tides of that exchange in my favor. So I would say at least kind of like I start like this. I basically do your hands, right? Yes. Stable, fill that into a mouth. Yep. 4.
Oh, get off me, pervert.
If I try to chase you, this is the exact same. I gotta get out of this. I'm on my side. I gotta get out. Either going out, or going back. And then anytime. Yeah. And then for you, at this point in our training, anytime I can get hands on you, my odds of turning the tide in my favor.
Oh wait, you're counting sweeps. Oh shit.
Really here and here, right? And then I see a little class. Yeah. But it's, yes. Yeah, that.
Get away from burn it. Oh.
Okay. Just put it out of position. Put it on my butt. Clear away. Yep. Yes, sir. Yes. Much better. Good, good, good. Woo! Oh, shit.
Looking at you earlier, it don't look like a sweater. Really? It's gone now. It's changing.
I'll stare you down.
What? Yeah.